Hi, I'm Michael Barden, co-founder at Redzone Digital. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how our commerce platform integrates auctions everywhere using our own retail brand, Redzone Auctions. We don't make buyers go to another digital destination to find items to bid on. We bring the items to them where they're already communicating and engaging. Social channels then become transactional bidding terminals to increase an item's purchase value, as well as growing the organic impression footprint from the auction engagement. As a seller with available inventory, there are two ways you can work with Redzone Digital, either as a supplier reseller or you leverage us as a B2B service. Currently, we are partnered as an approved Shopify app to sync, configure, and run a seller's Shopify product inventory as a Shopify sales channel. The great thing about this technology, it's headless, so you can integrate with any e-commerce platform or wallet with just a few configuration changes. Now let's move forward to the demo portion of this video. Now I'm going to pull up the backend and e-commerce engine here that allows us to run auctions everywhere. And here I've built an auction store listing in my Shopify app by syncing items from my existing inventory. In our Shopify app, this is also where I configure all the auction item settings, such as the auction runtime, bid increments, and starting and reserve prices to the seller's liking. Now our next step is to push an item live into our available channels by clicking on the Run button, and we'll be able to observe our B2B auction agent, ChatBid, facilitating the customer bids and communication. Here you can immediately see how this is made available in our front-end channels, and that includes our Shopify web widget in our Shopify web store site, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Discord. For Discord and our Shopify web widget over here, we've created UI elements that allows users to dial up or down bid increments. We authenticate through Shopify and Discord so users will never have to register for a new auction service or connect payment information until they get to the checkout page if you are the winning bidder. When we post in auction channels like Instagram and LinkedIn over here, you'll make a bid by simply making a comment in the post, and you can see that our ChatBid digital agent will reply in real time, providing updates on time remaining, current winning bidder, and current winning bid amount. ChatBid will also notify the user if the bid is lower than the current amount, and it also has fraud detection to monitor unusual or fraudulent bids. Each channel simultaneously updates in real time with the winning bidder amount, name, and amount, so you always know the status of your bid in relation to other active bidding users. Okay, now the auction is ended, let's review the purchasing and checkout flow for users on one of our channels. The user with the winning bid will receive a direct message in our social and community channels with a link to the Shopify checkout page, and that's directly tied to the account they made the bid from. For the web widget over here, you can access the link by clicking on the closed portion of the widget or by clicking on the menu on the left-hand side. That's always going to keep a record of items that that user has won. The payment processing and shipping is all handled through a seller's Shopify checkout page. Our Redzone Auctions owned and operated brand is a drop shipper. So once the user purchases the item from us, we then hand it off to the source supplier for fulfillment and customer communications. So that's a quick overview on how a seller would use Redzone Digital's suite of products and services to enable auctions directly in sales channels where their followers are actively engaging. For more information, please reach out to us on the contact information included in the description, and thanks for watching.